Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful effortless smoky eye. I know I look a little bit crazy because I don't have my face makeup on, but I just wanted to do this quick video to show you guys how to achieve a beautiful and simple smoky eye. You can use whatever color you want. I just wanted to play a little bit more with the Sheglam Stay Wild palette, and I used only 3 colors. You can skip the eyeshadow that I used to highlight my inner corners or my brow bone because you can totally use your highlight that you're going to highlight your face, but I knew that I won't be applying any face makeup, so that's why I used this shade to highlight my brow bone and whatever. So yeah, I just used 3 shades right here. I think this is a blush, I don't know exactly, because it was a little bit too powdery, but it's not bad. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I created this effortless smoky eye makeup look, thank you for watching. Alright, so I already prepped my lids. This time I used the Louise Base. Now I'm going to start with this shade. It's called Calling, and I'm going to slowly build this in my crease. I'm starting with a very little amount of product, and I'm kind of doing this cat eye shape. You don't have to, just do whatever shape you want or whatever shape works the best for you. So I'm building this color in my crease, blending it out, adding more color, and you know the deal. You see how easy this blends? Like, I'm super impressed with the Sheglam formula. Now I'm going with a deeper shade. This is called Illusion, and honestly I think this is a blush because it was way too powdery and actually the pigmentation wasn't really there. I had to work it. So yeah, I had to build it a lot, and as you can see I'm following the exact same pattern I did with the first shade. So I'm just building this color, blending a little bit more, adding more color, blending some more. You know the deal. Then I'm going to take this beautiful shimmer. It's called Snooze. It looks like wet to me. So I'm going to apply that in the center of my lids. As you can see, I started applying that with my finger, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. Then I took a brush and I kind of perfected a little bit the edges because I didn't want that everywhere, and you'll see how beautiful it looks in the close-up. So I did wet my brush to see if there's a difference, but it didn't make a difference. Anyway, this is absolutely gorgeous. Then I went back with a little bit of Illusion to kind of blend the shimmers with the mattes, and this is where I messed up. I just wanted to clean that edge, but you know what, just use a wet towel. Don't be like me. On my under eyes, I just applied a little bit of the eyeshadow base because I knew I won't be doing my face makeup. So you don't have to do this step. You will have a little bit of concealer if you decide to do your face makeup. So first I started with the darker shade, then I went with the lighter one, even though they look the same. Calling is a little bit more light. So I went and I buffed those two together and make sure they look very blended. Also, I connected them with the top eyeshadow. To highlight my inner corners, I'm going to use this shade. It's called Reborn, and actually this is more like an eyeshadow topper because it doesn't have color. It's just the shine, the shimmers, the glitters, whatever, I don't know, but it's beautiful. And this is the close-up. As I said, the shimmer on my lids, to me it looks wet, absolutely gorgeous. Next I'm going to add a little bit of mascara, and this was my second time using this mascara. The first time I used this, I had eyeliner on and you couldn't see my lashes. I have to say that I have no words. I'm super impressed. You can totally see my lashes now. Wow. This is actually waterproof, so hard to remove and so annoying, but you can totally see my lashes. So I guess it's worth it. I'm highly impressed with this mascara. Like, what? I have lashes, you guys. I had no idea I had lashes. Like, oh my god, you see how long they are and curved? I did use the curling lashes thing. This one, I don't know the name right now. So that's just mascara, I guess, because you saw I don't have lashes and now I do. This mascara is bomb. Okay, so I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I know I look a little bit weird without my face makeup on, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can achieve beautiful looks with affordable makeup and without putting too much effort into it. I feel like this is so effortless. You don't need to blend that much if you don't feel like so. Also, you can do a wing liner. Okay, you can do a wing liner. I think it will look bomb. And also you can use falsies, but I wanted to show you the easiest version of this smoky eye makeup look, I will call it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye.